If you're looking for a Coursera Business Analytics review, you're probably wondering whether these programs are actually worth your time and money. In this video, I'll cover the best options on Coursera and explain why Coursera Plus can save you money if you plan to learn multiple business analytics skills. Before we begin, you'll find a discount link in the description. It gives eligible learners 40% off the Coursera Plus monthly plan for the first 3 months. Let's start with the top recommendation. The Business Analytics Specialization from the University of Pennsylvania is one of the most popular choices on Coursera. It has a 4.6-star rating with more than 18,000 reviews. Designed for beginners, it teaches data-driven decision-making, marketing analytics, financial analysis, and predictive analytics. It's a great starting point if you want to understand how businesses use data to make better decisions. Another excellent option is the Google Data Analytics Professional Certificate. While it's broader than business analytics alone, it's one of the highest-rated programs on Coursera with a 4.8-star rating and over 181,000 reviews. You'll learn data analysis, visualization, storytelling, spreadsheets, and job-ready skills that employers value. If your goal is becoming a business analyst, the IBM Business Analyst Professional Certificate is another strong choice. It has a 4.7-star rating and more than 14,000 reviews. The program covers business analysis, stakeholder management, process improvement, Excel, and business analytics. So is Coursera Business Analytics worth it? Yes, especially if you choose courses from trusted universities and companies like the University of Pennsylvania, Google, or IBM. These programs offer respected certificates and practical skills you can apply at work. Here's where Coursera Plus becomes even more valuable. Individual learning programs typically cost around $49 to $79 per month. If you buy several certificates separately, the cost adds up quickly. With Coursera Plus, you get access to more than 10,000 eligible courses, professional certificates, and specializations from over 350 leading universities and companies. You can earn unlimited certificates and explore different career paths without paying for every course individually. If you're serious about learning business analytics, Coursera Plus is usually the better value. Check the discount link in the description to see if the current 40% off offer for the first 3 months is still available.